Okay, so my hair pulling up. I did not hot water it. I don't use anything in it. I like when it messy because it look more real, and because the color is loud, just to have a little bit more natural look with it. But I'm not gonna keep it in. I wanted to keep it until the New Year's, but I might take it out because I want to do the other lock with it, and that's why I had done them so big, so that I don't keep it in long. So I really love how it look. So I'm just showing you a day in my life with the business. um I'm having a little difficulty adjusting to the adjustment that I make, so I'm gonna rechange, and for January it shouldn't look like this. But I'm also gonna change before the holiday, so I'm gonna show you a clip of how the shop look after I fix it up, because I did do a tour when I fix it up and when I have the classroom separate. But no, I don't have the classroom separate. I have to put everything in one place. So I have furniture at home, I have chairs and decks at home, and then everything just look, yeah, because I've mixed classroom with salon, so you know you're not gonna get that look there. And then I think the place need a little uplifting, so I'm gonna do my own little home decor. Watch this one sliding off. What I was saying is that, and I'm still doing it. Okay, so let me stop. Okay. So as I was saying that place need a little uplifting, and I want to take on the project myself. I'm gonna